Another reason that you might want to change your menu is customer trends. There might be certain ingredients that are becoming really popular and you want to incorporate them into your menu. There might be a certain product category, like we've seen, like the avocado toast have gotten really popular. Acai bowls have gotten really popular. These are all things that you might go, you know what, if you don't have them or you didn't have them, I need to introduce these into my menu because there's a significant demand for these kinds of products, right? Goji berries was trending at one point, then it was kale, and then it was celery. And you might go, okay, I need to create some products with blue spirulina, activated charcoal. This is a evolution, which is one of the major benefits for you guys owning your own brands and having control of your menu and not being in a franchise where someone is going to dictate what you can and cannot do with your menu, because these things are very dynamic. They change, prices from vendors change. So to reiterate, changing your menu is one of the most powerful things that you can do to maintain and increase profitability in your business.